Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry wheelchair accessible conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using these two fingers. Check it out, I pinch here and I flip. It's got a handle on either side of the ramp. Again, I pinch and I flip. And I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're looking to haul wider chairs, bigger chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of your van. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance to get over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. It's got a 800-pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then about 56 once you're inside the van. It's got the deep cut conversion here to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. We've got 8 tie down points, so you can tie down the 2 wheelchairs. We throw in the upgraded Q-straight tie downs at no additional charge to you. We can even put a third row flip base seating here, flip up and down, so you could actually haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. Sorry, I had to let that ambulance go by. Get a little quieter here, but we've got the third row seat we can put in, about 21 inches of room between these seats. We can put flip base seats that flip up on their side if clearing that canal is important to you. My point is, let us know your measurements, let us know how many people you're hauling, let us help customize this van to meet your needs. There's no one size fits all. So up here in the van, we got the nice center console, got your tie down information there and your warranty. A real nice center console here, got your plug-ins for all your electronics. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera and you can sync up your phone here. Dual climate control, rear air. And we can shut all the power doors from up top on the center console here as well. So when you have everybody secure, come back out and reverse the process. Again, one finger, that's all it takes. Check it out. Pinch and clamp. And these rear entries are very nice, these manual ramps. But we do sell side entries as well. So if you're looking for one of those, or even full-size vans, give me a call. A walk around of the van. It's got tinted windows, got your alloy wheels. It's a very clean van. It's got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. The front tires are Hercules. They're about 9/32 of tread. So not quite new, but not far from it. Still quite a bit of tread left on them. The rear about 7/32, still very serviceable. So it's got some good meat on it. As I do the walk around of the van here, I'm looking for any dents or minor scratches. I'm not going to sit here and say the van's perfect, but it's very clean. It's been very well taken care of. I personally hand select every single one of our vehicles we purchase. That's the advantage of buying from me. You buy from one of those big dealerships, or a lot of people that have a buyer, it's not that buyer's money, it's just their job. This is my money. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I want a Carfax on the vehicle before I buy. I want to, nothing with a bad accident, nothing with frame damage, no flood damage. So that's the advantage when you buy from me. I'm buying from your perspective. This isn't just a job, this is my money. So no matter who you do business with, look them up online. Check out, I do get a picture, get a video of this VIN number. And why I say that? I had someone call me the other day. They said that someone was selling one of my vans on Facebook Marketplace. My van on my website is $45,000. They were selling for $8,000. Had some nice backstory how they love helping old senior citizens. They were a scammer. You get a video of that VIN number. He couldn't produce this video because the van wasn't there with him. This van's here with me. This is not a scam. Get you a video of that VIN number. Also, the VIN number is important. We run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. Carfax shows two owners, no accidents or damage. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Carfax also shows the vehicle went into service February 4th of 2020, so it meets the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty until February 4th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them up online. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Find us on eBay and check out reputations. 1,452 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback 100%. I say that's a pretty good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Make sure they are a real company. Again, you're going to hear me talk about getting scammed. I don't want to see you getting scammed, even if you don't buy from me. There's a lot of scammers out there. So check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. Like I said, I talk to people all the time how they found a deal on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace from a private individual they knew nothing about, on a deal that was too good to be true. Well, guess what? It was too good to be true. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. End up buying a complete lemon, a van they can't get a title for. So if you're buying from a private individual, you better know what you're doing. And they can even, with AI these days, they can even produce titles that look real. So just beware of what you're doing. Also, end up buying from, sorry, phone's shaky today, my bad. They buy from these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. You know, they didn't bother doing a Google search on the dealer before they bought. They end up with a vehicle that's got a salvage title, flood damage, mechanical issues, you name it. I've heard it all. And so if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and buy from them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to hearing from you. Another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. So if you got the van locked, hit that remote start button twice, it'll beep at you. Van will fire right up. So whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's the wintertime and you want to come out to nice defrosted, heated up, ready to go, this fan gives you that option. Got the power driver's seat, it works great. It's got your leather seats with your cloth insert, and I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And when it goes to actually turn the van on with the key, put the key in, turn it on, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag. 58,731 miles. Put your backup camera there. And let's say you're going to use this van commercially. You're going to be in and out of the doors quite a bit, or if the doors ever start acting up on you, you got your off button there. It turns the power doors off. You can slide and open and shut them quickly. Time is money, especially if you're running a business. So that's a nice feature to have. Just giving you a little different perspective back here for those of you that may not be real familiar with mobility wheelchair accessible vans. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows working here. We check the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking them on road tests. Check the tires. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, I hope you can tell by my videos. Maybe I'll show you the back vents back there. But we're very thorough in everything we do. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they make it to me. Underneath the hood, it's got the 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from flood damage and water damage underneath here, being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, they assume because it's got low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And I tell you what, that is the absolute most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's an individual or a dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from a reputable person or business? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, both front and back, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a van that's got frame damage, whether it's from an accident or a flood? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Are they really asking you to spend $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 and not going to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of these videos? Demand a Carfax report. And Carfax are expensive. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports. But I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, get online. Do your due diligence. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Find out who you're buying from, do a little research, check out their reputation and reviews, and then finally demand a warranty. I mentioned this van still doesn't have the powertrain warranty specs left on it. Sorry that sun is so bright today. Showing you the roof up here and everything looks good. But yeah, we stand behind our product. We make sure every van comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear her run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, the steering wheel is nice and straight. If traffic permits, I'm going to zip it up to 70 miles an hour here so you can see it go. We got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Let me hit that radio. But the radio works good on it. I'll even show you that for you. So we'll see what kind of room I can get here. But do keep in mind we do have the remaining specs for the factory drivetrain warranty left on this van. We do offer long-term warranties that are bumper-to-bumper factory type warranties. Those go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, but they feed in the fine print. There we go, got up to 70 miles an hour for you. Runs and drives real nice. But a lot of these dealers have a $500 administrative fee. They got dock fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for is the most important thing in business, but especially the used car business, is transparency. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video. If someone's not being transparent from the get-go, if they're hiding things right off the bat, before you've ever even made that phone call, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, reach out to me. I'll walk you through start to finish. I promise you, I'm gonna sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. More than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know this is a major purchase. This isn't some sweater for $25 off Amazon. This is a very large purchase for anybody. So do make that appointment though if you want to come in. We are very busy every second of the day, but I'm more than happy to spend some time with you. Please make that appointment with me though. If you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.